More breaking news coming in. These are inputs brought to us by Investigations Editor Manoj Gupta. Amid the widening Gulf war, which continues to escalate, Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister of Pakistan, Ishaq Dar, has said that Pakistan made tireless efforts to mediate between Iran and the United States, led by Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and Army Chief Asim Munir. He added that Pakistan had condemned attacks on Iran. Listen in.
जितनी एफर्ट्स अब नहीं, इसलिए नहीं, पिछले राउंड में भी वो गालबन ईरान की अपनी लीडरशिप वो ज्यादा बेहतर एक्सप्लेन कर सकती है। हम बिल्कुल लो की में बैक डोर में रह के हमने डिप्लोमेटिक एफर्ट्स बहुत की हैं ताकि ये मामला कहीं सुलझ जाए। उसके बाद था कि जी ये डायलॉग कहाँ हो। एक पार्टी ने दो कंट्रीज का नाम दिया, ओमान और इस्लामाबाद। दो ही पार्टीज हैं, यूएस और ईरान। दूसरी पार्टी ने दोहा और इस्लामाबाद का नाम दिया। इस्लामाबाद दोनों में कॉमन था। दे वर हैप्पी टू बी एंगेज्ड इवन इन इस्लामाबाद and we were happy to be host to mediate ताकि इस मसले को हल खत्म करवाया जाए। इस पे वज़ीर आज़म ने बेपनाह उनकी एफर्ट्स उन्होंने की। इस पे फील्ड मार्शल सैयद आसिम मुनीर साहब अपने लेवल पे कनेक्टिक एरिया में उन्होंने बहुत एफर्ट्स किए अपने डिफेंस जो उनके कॉलीग्स और जो हैं। तो ये एक कलेक्टिव एफर्ट थी और डिप्लोमेटिक ऑब्वियसली मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, फॉरेन ऑफिस की जिम्मेदारी है। हम भी साथ साथ तमाम एफर्ट्स कर रहे थे।
And I'm joined by my colleague Greha Atul on the broadcast. So Greha, it seems like just like the United States, now Pakistan wants the moniker of a mediator.
Absolutely. And where is the equation really coming from? They are trying to equate themselves with Oman. They're also going and suggesting that they were ready to offer Pakistan as the soil in which the mediation should happen, because they go on to mention Islamabad. Ishaq Dar, the foreign minister, deputy prime minister, in fact, going and saying exactly this, Ayushman, that if Iran had not attacked the Gulf countries, we would have rallied those countries to our side as well. Another assertion that is coming in from Pakistan, claiming that this is a big miss by Iran, that they have gone on to get the entire Gulf nations involved, and this is why they are not able to, in fact, get any mediations now on board because of strategic ties that they have with countries like Saudi Arabia. And remember, he's also mentioned the Pakistani Prime Minister and the Field Marshal together, hyphenating them almost. So this is the kind of heft that army has in Pakistan, and even the Foreign Minister, the Deputy PM, is pretty much underlining that both of them together have made these tireless efforts to mediate these negotiations between Iran and United States of America. Which here's where the twist lies. At the same time, where they are talking about how US is being viewed as a reliable source and how they have got a very, very strategic interest as far as US is concerned. But there are also past accusations of double dealing on militancy, that the US really sees Iran with the kind of lens, and Iran also sees close Pakistan and Saudi ties, like I've been mentioning. And that's why this double game that Pakistan seems to be playing has been laid bare with this assertion that's coming in from Mr. Ishaq Dar there, because US also is not really, it's going on to call Pakistan's bluff, and so is Iran possibly.
Right. Thank you, Greha, for decoding that for us. So that pitch coming in from the Pakistani side to gain some level of credence in the diplomatic power play surrounding this conflict.